Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services, a small business in Abington. I just came across your company and thought I'd shoot you the screencast video of your website, give you some insight into how you're doing on Google and how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything else about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start today on the front page of your website, which is the most powerful. So you have a really good call to action here and a way to get in touch with you via email and get a quote. Those are important for your clients to know exactly how to get in touch with you. So you also want to try to have about 1,500 words on your front page. So adding some content that flows and is authoritative and has about a dozen highly searched keyword phrases in there will help Google relate you. Those keyword phrases are like tree service New Jersey, tree removal New Jersey, tree removal Trenton. Just understanding how people are searching for your services in the most popular way will definitely help. Even the way you save images counts as content. So save those as highly searched keywords and Google will crawl and relate you better. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did a Google search for tree service New Jersey. There's lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google. I could have done tree removal. One of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out what's being searched the most and then appear first for it. So you have your ads and then you have your map pack, which is a good place to appear first. It's just high visibility. You take up 5 lines on a mobile phone. It's a click to call, and here's your website. And in order to get here, you have to file for a GBP, a Google Business Profile, which is just a short process with Google. It's free. And once they verify your business, you want to have a lot of citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. And you just keep up with them on a monthly basis to make sure you're ahead of your competitors. And then you begin to rank higher in the map pack over time. So if you are in the top spot in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, statistically speaking, you get about 70% of the search volume that comes to this page. In order to get in this spot organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be like a blog about tree service and, someone posts your website. That website is the backlink and that blog is the referring domain. So here is a tool I use called Eris, and this is your website. And this gives me some insight. This is your trust score and your power rating, and these go all the way to 100, so the higher the better. These are the backlinks you have and the referring domains. So you want to try to increase the quantity of these and the quality. And over time, you would get more powerful. These are the keywords you're ranking for and the traffic you're getting. I'm going to show you your keywords. And while that's loading, I'm just going to show you this competitor that was top organically. Their trust, their power, their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and their traffic. So just kind of the possibility that does exist. Okay, so tree service Trenton, New Jersey is a really good high buyer intent keyword. 30 searches a month. It's really easy to rank for. This goes all the way up to 100, and you're in spot 47. And by 0, that means it's just the quickest and the cheapest to get there. So some keywords there. They're going to have a ton. I'll just go see if they have any more. But these keywords just pop up because they're in your content, but they're not necessarily buyer intent. This is buyer intent because it's a service and it's an area. So someone lives here and wants this service. And you want to have way more of those in your content so people can find you when they're Googling these words and those search phrases. So I'll just show you if they have any. The near me's are good, but you really want a specific location. That's the best. So obviously this is a national company, which is why they're getting so much ranking and so much traffic. Let's just go to the next page and see if there's anything around the area that you work in. Tree Services Washington, that would be good. 500 searches. There's probably a bunch that are around New Jersey that have that amount too. Let's see. This is their website. Just pause you for a second. Okay, so here I just show you their specific keywords for New Jersey. And look at all the search volume you could have. New Jersey tree removal, 300 searches a month. New Jersey tree removal, or NJ tree removal, 300 searches. Tree removal New Jersey, 300 searches. Just, that alone is over 1,000 searches right there. And these KDs are a little bit high. It would take a little bit of time to rank, and the backlinks would be a little pricier, but it's definitely a possibility. You know, and here are all the others. You know, tree service, Morris County, New Jersey arborist, stump removal, New Jersey, tree service, Morristown, Morris County. You know, you can kind of see all these words and pause at your own discretion to figure out, you know, which ones might service your area or where you go best. Hamilton, Trenton, Gillette, Ewing, Union County. So anyway, just giving you some insight. Hope it was helpful. I will follow up with a phone call next week, but if you'd like to reach out to me and, you know, have any thoughts about the video, please do. You can just respond to this email or give me a call, you know, at the number I called you at. And, you know, I'd love to sit down and have a 10-minute conversation, see if we're a good fit. You know, I do work within budgets and can tailor plans specifically for small businesses, and my door is always open. And if not, no harm, no foul, I understand. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.